Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can schedule your message in Gmail and how you can schedule your email. So let's say that you don't want to send it in the morning, but you want to send it in the evening, but you are not on a computer in the evening. So what I'm gonna do? So it's really easy. What you want to do is just press compose. When you're gonna press compose, you have two. Let's say that I'm going to write it to myself. Subject, I will write blah blah blah, and message, hey there. And now what I'm going to do, you have send option here, but you have also this arrow looking down for object, and you got schedules. When I'm going to schedule send, okay, Central European Standard Time, it will like what time you are in, pick date and time. Okay, so this is 7th of November 2019, and let's say that right now it passed it about 1 hour from now. So what I'm going to do, I will send it at 7:00 a.m. Schedule sent. Oh, it's already like 5 minutes. Yep. And right now at 7 a.m. it will send to myself. Of course, I'm not going to wait 5 minutes, it's for sure. But you know how it works. You know how you can schedule send. You can try it yourself and it will work. So this is how we do it. This is how we schedule email in Gmail. So that's kind of it. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day and see you in the next video.